Ever spent hours editing a YouTube video just to get some views and zero subs? What if I told you there's a faster, smarter way, no camera, no mic, no editing, and it only takes 5 minutes using AI? Hey, I'm Petter from Petter AI Hustle. And if you're into AI tools that save time and help you make real money online, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and turn on the bell watch until the end. Because one small tweak at the final step can literally double your reach and earnings.
If you've ever wondered which is better, Monica AI or Chat GPT, today we're going to find out. I'll be running the exact same request through both tools and comparing their speed, accuracy, and interface to see who comes out on top. First, a quick intro to both. You probably already know Chat GPT, but Monica AI is an all-in-one assistant with built-in translation, content writing, document summarization, and more. But can it really beat Chat GPT in real-world use? Let's start the test. The prompt I'm giving both is, write a short, funny Facebook post introducing a new product. On screen, you'll see Monica AI working on one side and Chat GPT on the other. Speed. Monica AI finishes in about 5 seconds. Chat GPT takes around 8. Not a huge gap, but Monica AI is slightly faster. Accuracy and creativity. Monica AI delivers a clean, ready-to-use post with a clear call to action. Chat GPT's version is more creative and playful, but it's a bit longer and needs some trimming before posting. If you want something polished and ready right away, Monica AI has the edge. Interface. Monica AI has a modern design with multiple tools easily accessible from the menu, perfect for switching tasks quickly. Chat GPT is simpler and lighter, but doesn't have as many built-in extras. For beginners, Monica AI feels more user-friendly. So, who wins? Honestly, it depends on what you need. If you want a versatile AI tool that's fast, easy to use, and packed with features, Monica AI is worth trying. I've left a link below so you can test it yourself. And hey, if you enjoy these kinds of AI comparisons, make sure to subscribe to Petter AI Hustle so you don't miss the next head-to-head test.
If you're ready to build your faceless YouTube channel and let AI do the heavy lifting, give this video a like and hit that subscribe button for more walkthroughs like this. In my next video, I'm comparing
This AI.
to another viral AI tool that completely failed on me. So don't miss it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.